ever since I could speak. Seeing smiles blinded as my notes, free spirits caress emotions, and now a chance to be among my idols who share my